This is the ePick a Wallet Tracker card for Apple Find My to track your wallet, a bag, or even your child. It's MFI certified, IP67 water resistant with NFC tap to return and Bluetooth tracking. I was sent this to review and I am obsessed with it. So let me show you a closer look, including how to set it up. Look at how thin this is. This is so different from the smaller but fatter tiles we're used to seeing. This thing is like just barely thicker than a credit card, but same size. So it's gonna go into your wallet. Nobody's gonna even notice it. You could slip it into your backpack, your suitcase, you name it. It's even got a loop here so you could hang it from something. It doesn't include the strap though. This is not rechargeable, but it says it'll last about 8 years, which is incredible. You do need an iPhone or a iOS operating system with the Find My capability, and then you can set it up easy peasy. Make sure Find My is enabled, turn on your Bluetooth. You're gonna wanna go into your settings and you can just type in Find My, tap that, make sure you click while using the app and turn on precision location. Then go to the Find My devices, tap the plus. You're gonna wanna push add other item and hold this button, power button, until it beeps. After it beeps, just hold your phone close to it and it's going to connect. You can add it and customize it. And then from there, it's gonna be just like any other Apple device where you can locate it on the map. You can make it play a sound in case you lose it or you lose whatever this is in. Immediately. So amazing.